Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonica like Bob Dylan. To achieve his signature sound, you will primarily use the cross harp technique. This means playing a harmonica in a different key than the song itself. For example, if a song is in the key of G, you would typically use a C harmonica. This approach allows for expressive bluesy notes and rhythmic accompaniment, which are hallmarks of his style. To truly capture the essence of Dylan's harmonica, focus on a few key techniques. First, master playing clear single notes, isolating each hole with precision. Next, practice bending notes, especially on the draw holes, to achieve those soulful, vocal-like sounds. Finally, integrate rhythmic chugging patterns into your playing. This provides a strong percussive foundation, driving the song forward with a distinctive folk blues feel. Selecting the right instrument is crucial for emulating Dylan's style. You will need a standard 10-hole diatonic harmonica, which is perfect for folk and blues. While Dylan played in many keys, common song keys include G, C, D, and E. Remember to choose your harmonica's key based on the song's key for effective cross-harp playing, ensuring you have the right notes available. Consistent practice is key to developing your harmonica skills. Start by learning simple folk songs. This will help you build confidence and familiarity with the instrument. Listen intently to Bob Dylan's recordings, paying close attention to his unique phrasing and timing. Aim to practice for at least 15 minutes each day. Regular effort will significantly improve your playing and help you achieve that authentic sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.